Welcome to the channel Salchi. Today the important announcement is that because many students have requested us regarding the notes of some topics or some subjects like commerce of class 10th, and then computer of class 9th and 10th, and English language, or rather I can say language videos. Okay, so language of 9 to 12th. These notes are available on this given number. For that, what is the strategy around this? For if you want commerce notes, commerce, that some people say it commercial studies, so okay, commercial studies or commerce notes if you want, then you can just go and message us on this number, and in the description box of this video the sample of each note has been given. In the sample PDF you will have few snippets of these notes from commerce, from language and from computer, so that you can see what type of the notes are those, and if you are able to understand those notes then you can purchase them from us. Language notes are of page 21. In those 21 pages, what you will have more than 250 sentences. More than 250 sentences in those. Let me just clarify this. In language notes, they are of 20 pages, but in 20 pages you have 250 plus sentence transformation. In that, 90 plus sentences are of preposition, and then 90 plus are of adverbs, and prepositions are of 50 plus sentences are of prepositions, and then you have around 40 plus sentences of conjunction, like you have to form the sentence without using and all those sentences. Okay, and then we have more than 40 plus sentences on sentence transformation, like affirmative to affirmative, and then all those sentences transformation you have here. Okay, so in total you have more than 250 sentences with their solution, that is with their answers. So you can practice those before your ICSE board exams, and these are both for class 9 to 12th. These language notes are both for class 9 to 12th. Okay, so next is this is of language. Same goes for the commerce, or you can say for the commercial studies. It is only for class 10th ICSE board, and in this what you will get, it is of 125 pages, and here I have given in the description box a sample of this commerce first 3 pages of the notes. Okay, and in this entire ICSE class 10 syllabus has been completed. And for computer notes are of 120 pages. In 120 pages, entire theory of your computer is been completed for class ICSE 9th and 10th. Okay, so let's say for example, what is for loop? So I have discussed the theory part of the for loop and given one program in order to support your answer. Okay, so wherever in the theory part you need some program to support your answer, those programs are also given. Your entire computer theory is just of 120 pages, and I promise you nothing will come out of these theory notes. Okay, nothing will come out of these theory notes. What are the prices? Okay, so let me discuss the prices. If you buy commerce, computer and language, okay, these are the 3 notes. Individual price of each note is 500. Okay, it's 4999. Okay, it's 4999 for individual. But if you buy commerce, computer, let's say first computer plus language, then these notes will be of 7,999 only. Okay, let's say no, it's not 7,999, it's 6,999. And but if you buy commerce plus language, then it is of 6,999. That is, if you buy any of these with language, then the price is 6,999. Else, if you buy them individually, it is 4,999. So you can go and have a look on the sample videos, and if you really want to buy those, then just WhatsApp on this number. We will give you the payment details, and as soon as the payment details, you can give the payment and the notes will be shared with you. So I hope you will like these notes and you will purchase those notes. Thank you for watching. Salchi.